Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with lots of important opportunity for 2024, 25, 2026 pass out batch. So first important hiring from the online, they are hiring software development engineer assessment, and this is from the Codex hire. And these are the stages. So software development engineer assessment, and you can go through complete job and description, and this is one of the important hiring. Okay, so you will get certificate and other prize too. Okay, next important opportunity from the for the freshers, and this is the walk-in drive. So 5th and 6th February, Thursday and Friday. So if you are from Kolkata region, then I will suggest must attend this walk-in drive. They are hiring for executive back office, executive administration, and marketing. So if you are interested, you can contact to this number or to mail ID, and this is the complete location. Next important hiring from the Shanmina, they are hiring graduate intern CGP, and this is the job code. So category is for job seeker information technology, and job location is Chennai. Okay, so intern and third year and fourth year students are eligible for this important opportunity, and again there is a strong chance of conversion to this. And talking about the eligible branches, so Bachelors of Engineering in Technology, CS, IT, Mechanical, Electrical, Electronics, and other streams are eligible for this. Besides that, MCA, MSc, IT, CS with minimum 70% aggregate in all subjects. This is important thing that 70% आपका होना चाहिए, and candidate should not have any backlog. So viewed hiring him as a intern for 6 months with consolidated pay of 20,000 for the first 6 to 9 months. Means starting में आपका 20,000 रहेगा, and so if you are interested, then you can basically fill this form. This is one of the important hiring. Next important hiring, they are hiring for data analyst trainee, and period is 2 months, and at the traineeship you will get 10k, and you can also post success completion you can get 30 to 40k in hand. So if you are interested, you can share your resume to here. Next important hiring from the JP Morgan Chase, and they are hiring for client data specialist. So if you have some experience in this area, then you can apply. You can go through complete job link and description. Okay, and previous experience in AML, compliance, fraud, KYC अगर कुछ आपका है ऑपरेशन रिस्क में, then you are good to go for applying this important opportunity. So friend, I regularly post lots of important job opportunity. You can share, means you can subscribe us. Currently Accenture, HP and others are hiring, and lots of important updates will come. So I will provide all the job update in this channel, so you can subscribe us. Next important opportunity, that is they are hiring for software developer freshers. So we are looking BTech freshers to join our development team. Requirement BTech pass out, means only pass out students are eligible, and job location is Gurgaon. You should have a strong DSA knowledge, means you should have strong analytical thinking, and interested candidate can mail their resume to this mail ID. So this was complete detail about the various jobs, and if you haven't applied for the Cognizant, then must apply. That hiring is still basically means active, so you can apply. Hope informative to you. कोई भी query है, feel free to ask or comment here. And friends, again I'm saying you, for 2026 start preparing for the NQT, Cognizant and other important hiring, because soon all hiring will be announced, and you will get very much this time. Thank you.